In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on dark mode in Google Docs. If you're someone who spends a lot of time staring at a bright screen, this little trick can really help reduce eye strain and make your experience more comfortable, especially in low-light environments. Now, let's dive into the steps and get your Google Docs looking sleek and dark. First, you'll want to head over to your browser's extension store. If you're using Google Chrome, that would be the Chrome Web Store. This store is a treasure trove of useful tools and enhancements that can make browsing more efficient and enjoyable. All you have to do is open a new tab, type Chrome Web Store into the search bar, and it should be your first result. Once you're in the web store, go to the search bar at the top left of the screen. This is where you'll search for the extension you need to enable dark mode in Google Docs. A simple search for Dark Mode Google Docs or Dark Reader will do the trick. There are several options out there, so feel free to explore and find the one that best suits your needs. These extensions are designed to apply a dark theme to your Google Docs, as well as other websites you might frequent. When you've found an extension you like, click on it to go to its page. You'll see an Add to Chrome button. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt a small window asking you to confirm that you want to add the extension to your browser. Don't worry, this is just standard procedure. Click Add Extension, and the browser will take care of the rest, downloading and installing it in a matter of seconds. After the installation is complete, you should notice a new icon appearing in your browser's toolbar, usually found in the upper right corner next to the address bar. This icon represents the extension you just installed. Click on this icon, and it will give you the option to turn on dark mode specifically for Google Docs. Select this option, and voila! Your Google Docs will now sport a darker, more comfortable background. Most dark mode extensions will automatically adjust the text color, ensuring that everything remains readable while keeping the overall interface easy on the eyes. Just like that, you're all set up and ready to enjoy a more visually soothing workspace in Google Docs. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've managed to transform your Google Docs into a darker, eye-friendly environment. This isn't just a more stylish option, it's also a practical one. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you next time.